We're up to round 11. Now, round 11 is about putting it all together. Now, if you're just a beginner, we're only going to pick about 4 of the exercises that we just did with the dumbbells and put them all in a sequence, starting with our lower body to our upper body. Now, your first exercise obviously is going to be the squats. So you're going to pick up your dumbbells, you're going to do 20 full range squats. When you've done 20 squats, I want you to have a rest for about 30 seconds. If you need to take a minute, and then pick up the dumbbells again and do another 20 repetitions of the squat. Put the dumbbells down, and next, after you've had a 30-second rest, I want you to actually just do 20 repetitions of body weight squats, just to make sure we've got as much out of the legs as possible. After we've done the squats, we're going to move into our back exercise, which was the dumbbell row. So sitting on the bench, you're going to pick up your dumbbells and you're going to start with about 10 to 12 repetitions of dumbbell rows. When you've done about 10 to 12, if you find that it was too easy, maybe you can pick up a heavier weight. Have a 30 to 45 second rest and then do another 10 to 12 repetitions. Once you've done 2 sets of dumbbell bent over rows, we're going to move into our chest exercise, which was dumbbell chest press. You might be able to use the same weight on the chest press as you used for the dumbbell rows. You're going to go down, you're going to start with about 10 to 12 repetitions of a dumbbell chest press. When you've done 10 to 12 repetitions, put the weights down, decide if you want to go heavier, have a 30 to 45 second rest, pick up the weights again, and do another 10 to 12 repetitions. So just to recap, we've got 3 sets of squats. 2 of the sets are with dumbbells, and the 3rd set is just with body weight. Then you're going to do 2 sets of back, which is dumbbell bent over rows. When you've done your 2 sets, you're going to do 2 sets of dumbbell chest press. The last exercise of this sequence is tricep dips. So using your parallel bars, a flat bench, or a couple of chairs, you're going to do 2 sets of tricep dips, probably aiming for about 15 to 20 repetitions. The first set, you should get 20 repetitions out, no problem. After about 30 seconds rest, your arms will be sore, they will be tired. You may not get that many out, but just try for as many as you can. In total, those 4 exercises, that gives you about 9 sets of resistance training. If you're just starting out, that is enough. And remember, concentrate on your mobility and your warm-up before your workout. Spend about 7 to 10 minutes loosening up your joints, warming up the whole body. And most importantly, keep it safe.